Let's talk about natural predators. Apex predators, secondary predators. Hi, I'm Angel, by the way. You can call me Aunt Angel. And I'm over here by my gray water kitchen bed. And there's an apex predator in here. I don't know if you can see her. Pretty sure it's a female. Let's see if we can zoom it in here. It's not gonna let me do that. Well, can you see her? There you go. That is a praying mantis, female, and is great for the garden, although they're a little bit indiscriminate, as many predators tend to be. I had a praying mantis live in my kitchen a couple years ago, so I learned a lot about them because I'm a curious kind of person, and I already was familiar with their natural predation ability. Now again, they aren't discriminant. They'll eat all kinds of other insects, including other praying mantises. So, something that doesn't eat everything but is very helpful that I also have around here, although besides helicopters, pardon that noise. Let's take a little look at the Head Hutt while the helicopter goes by. You can find a book I wrote about this structure on Amazon. It's called The Head Hutt with 2 T's. Back to natural predators over here in the little mini gray water garden. Lost track of my mantis friend. She's traipsed off, trying to get out of my vision, probably. But I also have a lot of lizards, and lizards have moved in to help me out with a cockroach problem that I was having due to all my gardening, because most of the cockroaches, at least in our area, are outdoor critters unless you have something going on inside. Thankfully, they stay outside, but they were getting abundant because of a lot of mulch and a lot of garden beds. And so the birds love it here, and now I have a lot of lizards that have moved in, and it's just a good example of how nature has a lot of methods for bringing things back into balance that aren't poison. Poison is a silly method to use. It's a very short-term, short-sighted thinking that we humans do. So just wanted to share that thought. I wanted to share my praying mantis while I saw her out there, and encourage you to consider natural pest control rather than poison. And that goes for in your own body as well as in your yard and in your home. Meanwhile, look at this dragon room under construction. I'm going to get back to work. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for being you and letting me be me. And as always, till next time, stay free.